Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the exact gear and mindset you need. Equip the Killstreak Sword and mobility items. This maximizes movement and hit windows. Once done, join a low-latency server, aim for about 50 milliseconds, because reliable hit registration is critical. Make sure your loadout emphasizes speed and stamina so you can chain strikes. Now, enter a match and focus on short engagements. Conserve momentum, strike quickly, then reset position to bait the next opponent. You now focus on the core execution that triggers the Azure Badge. Chain 2 to 3 clean kills. Staying alive between engagements is essential because the badge counts uninterrupted sequences. Aim for head-level swings and follow each hit with a light cancel or dodge to maintain momentum and avoid counterattacks. Once you see progress in the badge tracker, modulate aggression. Be slightly conservative when one kill away, so you complete the requirement without losing your streak. You complete the badge by securing the final isolated kill, approach fast, land the combo, and disengage to protect your streak. If progress stalls, don't hesitate to switch servers or restart the match. This clears desync and registration problems. Make sure the Killstreak Sword is equipped and that the badge tracker registers at round end. If it doesn't, relog and retry the same routine. One troubleshooting tip: clear any overlays or high-latency apps before attempting the run again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.